Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a product and then put it on one of my favourite platforms for selling your digital downloads, which is payhip. So this is a social media planner which has all sorts of strategy and documentation that you can fill in to see where you are, who your competition is, where you want to be, and help you to focus on what is going to work for your social media. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it, I'm going to create it as a product, and then I'm going to launch it onto the world and see what happens. So I just need to go to share and I want to download this. So I'm going to download it as a PDF. Now I have choices on a PDF. Do I want it to be PDF print, which is the highest quality, or do I want it to be PDF standard? I'm picking PDF print because people may wish to print it. So I'm going to download it and then I am going to go and log into my payhip account and upload it. What I'll also do is take a copy of the link as well, and then I can talk about it and give them the link to it as well if they just want the online version. In Canva I have choices that anybody with the link can view, comment or edit. I only want them to view it. So I am now going to get my link and go and add it to our amazing platform. I have logged into payhip. How cool is this? Such an easy platform to use. So what I'm going to do is go to products. And I'm going to add a new product. So this is a digital product. And here we go. So I need to upload the file, add a title. I am going to create a video. In fact, I might upload this video, but I don't think so. We're going to do one specifically for the product. I can then add in my description. I can put my link in there too. Then I can make it visible to everybody. I also have advanced options that I can enable and say that it has different variations. That it's tax exempt, that it's an ebook, which it is. And I can also upload a preview file for customers, which is maybe just a few pages. What I could do is take a picture of all the pages, which I already have. I can also limit the number of times this product can be sold, and I automatically want to subscribe customers to my mailing list, and this is set up in MailerLite. If this had been a software product, I could add a unique license key here. It isn't, so I won't. I'm just going to go back and upload my file, put in my title, put in a little bit of a description, and then I will put it live. So now I've added in my description, I've added in a picture, I've added in some content, and literally all I have to do now is say, does it have different variations? Is it tax exempt? Actually, it possibly is if it's an ebook. I will go and check that. And then just go. So let's see what options it gives me if I say variations. I'm just going to untick that because I'm going to put the link in it anyway. Now I can amend this, however, I'm just going to add the product and see where it takes me. So it's doing a little spinny thing. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, there you go. Show me my product page. Shall we see what it looks like? And there we have it. Now I already have a refer a friend option because it gives me a great way to get people to help you to share what you've got. So that's what I typed, and I will actually add in the video, but there we have it. up and ready in not very long at all. Obviously, it took me a while to create the planner, but to be fair, once you've done one project, you can actually use that template to do way more. So hopefully this has inspired you to go off and create your own.